Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we segment our header, body and then footer component. Right now there is a 3 component is now loaded in our main component, which is totally fine. Now in this video I want to load one of the navigation bar. If you want to load one of the navigation bar right now, for the founding we'll use that React Bootstrap as I told you before, and there is everything is ready made. If you go to that component, into this component here, there is also another layout for the navigation bar, that means the nav bar. You can see if you select this nav bar right now, you can actually use this type of one of the nav bar as per your demand. Rather than there is also another one, okay, there is also another one nav bar, there is also another one. So it's actually locative, so I want to use this one. So if you want to do that work, first of all I want to do right now body, we don't need this app, also we don't need this index, I don't need this, I simply close it, and also we don't need this. Okay, and now first time I want to do into the header folder, because navbar will be one of the menu, and menu always stay into the top position. So into the header I want to create one of the new file, and I just name it as a navigation. Okay, I name it as a navigation.jsx, right? I simply created one of the new component as a navigation, and also I want to create one of the functional components. So I simply copy it and then I paste it, so it will be imported that React from to the React live module, and then there is our name. Our name will be as a navigation. Okay, navigation. Make that sure our spelling is correct, so navigation. And also I want to export this from here as a navigation. Great. So that is our the return, and that is our dev, right? So in particular this dev area I want to load all that our menu, that means a nav bar. So I want to use this one as a variant, as a dark. Okay, so now I want to copy this total nav bar. Okay, I simply copy total nav bar, and there is a nav bar. Also there is another one, you can see there is a dark, there is a light, and also there is another one dark. That is actually busy primary. Busy primary means this will be actually this one, and there have the 3, right? 1, 2 and then 3 menu. I want to use that first one. Okay, I simply copy it. You can see there is a bracket, and now that is our another one. So this one is for our this blue, and also there is another one as a variant as a light is for our this one. Okay, so now I want to take that our first one, so I copy this first one nav bar, I copy it, and now we have to do into this dev, into the navigation dev, I want to paste it. Okay, I simply paste it. So if you use that as a nav bar, so for the first time we have to take it, that means every our nav bar, the container and nav link, okay, everything actually comes from where? Everything comes from our React Bootstrap, because I have already installed that React Bootstrap. If you go to our package.json, into the package.json, you can see it's already installed that Bootstrap, it's already installed that React Bootstrap, the React, and also have installed that date format. As I told you, whatever the package you will install, everything you will get it into the package.json. So right now we are using that, I want to use that as a React Bootstrap. So here first time I want to do, that will be multiple one. I want to actually create one of the object for this, so that will be as a import. Okay, import, and then the here I declare one of the object, and then that will be from, okay, that will be comes from which place? That will be comes from to the React Bootstrap. You can see there is a React Bootstrap. Simply understand, friend, when you use that as a bootstrap, then you have to import that bootstrap, because I have already installed it, and also I install that React Bootstrap. So that is all that our component comes from our React Bootstrap, right? For the reasons here we have to import every our part from to the React Bootstrap. Okay, I simply loaded these things in here. Now I want to load this container. Okay, I simply loaded this container and put that comma. There is a nav bar. I simply loaded this nav bar. There is also another one as a nav. I want to load this nav. So right now that's all. Okay, right now that's all. And also from here I export this our navigation, and that is our total menu. How much easy it is? You can see that is everything is ready made. And here better I want to change that name. I make it as easy. Okay, easy restaurant. So that will be our menu name as easy restaurant, and that home, features, and then pricing. Great. So now this navigation I want to do, if you go to our page, that is our header, right? Here I want to load it. Okay, I want to load this navigation in our header. So if you want to load it, I simply click as a save all. Right now we don't need this text. Here I want to load this component that I have created as a navigation. So if you want to load it, now that will be as a navigation. Okay, navi. So you can see that is a navigation or component. I simply click as a enter, and automatically that will be inputted that navigation from to the navigation. Great. So now that means in our dev and in our return, it will be return our this navigation component. Now if you click as a save all, and now if you go to our home page, now click as a refresh. Yes, you can see it's now perfectly loaded. It's now perfectly loaded our navigation bar, and you can see that's just like that same, right? It's just like that same. Now you can see it's successfully updated. So if you want to change that class, like there is also another neighbor as a busy primary and then a variant as a dark. If you want to change it, then simply here I want to change it, click as a paste, save all. Now that should be changed. Okay, now that should be blue. Click the refresh. Yeah, you can see it's now become blue. But right now I'm actually liking that black one, so that means the busy dark is perfect. Now click the save all. Now refresh it. Yeah, it's perfect. So here also I updated our text. Our text I name it as a easy restaurant. So for the reasons you can see it's now display as a easy restaurant. How much easily we complete this part, I hope friend you like it very much. So as I told you friend, you have to practice it. You have to understand how much easily you load some of the component, how to create some of the component, how can add that React Bootstrap, all that component. Okay, I hope everything is very much clear to you. So here we successfully loaded our menu, so which is totally fine. In our next video, I will work into the body. Okay, how can do that work? Step by step, we'll create one of the simple project, and by creating this project, you will learn React.js more effectively. So don't worry about it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.